Hey, it's the Gadgeteer. I'm going to give you a quick demo of the Joby GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit. And what this is basically it's a tripod with the bendable Joby legs, and the kit comes with a Wavo microphone and a BMO LED light. And both of those accessories connect to the GorillaPod to give you a pretty decent mobile vlogging kit. So right now this is being recorded on the front-facing camera of an iPhone 10, and we're going through the iPhone's microphone, and the BMO LED light is not on. So first of all, let's see what it sounds like when I connect the Wavo microphone. Let's see if we can tell a difference in the audio quality. Okay, so now we're recording the audio using the Wavo mobile microphone. And as you can tell, it sounds smoother. It's not quite as jarring. That's kind of the word that pops in my mind when I listen to the difference. So now let me say ABC 1 2 3 testing testing testing, and now I'm going to disconnect it. Now let's just go right through the iPhone's microphone again. ABC 1 2 3 testing testing testing. So you can kind of tell a difference there. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect the Wavo again. Testing 1 2 3 testing. So can you hear the difference there? And now I am going to turn on the BMO light. Maybe. Whoa. Okay, so now that is at the highest intensity, and I have a diffuser on top of the light itself, so that's pretty bright. As you can see the light in my glasses, my glasses lenses. But let's change the brightness. There's one step down, 2 steps down.
What device?
If you can hear that, Alexa just broke in there. One more step down, one more. Actually, that's the end. That's as low as it goes. But you can see that the light is still in my glasses unless I, get down here. So there it is, the lowest setting, and if I turn it off, whoops, wait a minute. Let's turn it off. There, you can see no light with the BMO, and now there's the lowest intensity, and then we keep going up. And there's the highest intensity, and now I'm going to remove the diffuser so I can blind myself. I'm not going to look at the light. Whoa! No diffuser. Diffuser at the highest setting. That's pretty bright, but it is adjustable. And that was a quick demo of the Joby GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit using the accessories indoors. And then I'm going to go outside, and it's a really windy day, just so you can see how well the Wavo microphone does outdoors using the Dead Cat windscreen, which is, let me get it out of here so you can see what I mean. So here's the Dead Cat, and I'll put it on the microphone and we'll go outside and see what it sounds like with this on and off. Okay, here's a demo of the Wavo microphone. First of all, I'm recording this on an iPhone 10, and we're currently not connected to a microphone. And as you can see, I've got this in the portrait orientation just because I wanted it to be in that orientation. But it's a relatively breezy day, just a little bit breezy. can hear the birds singing. And I am going to now plug in the Wavo. We're talking through the Wavo microphone. And I do not have the windscreen, which is called a dead cat, on it right now. So I'm going to move around a little bit. See if I can get the microphone in the wind. Of course, the wind stops. As soon as I need it to be windy, it stops. It's blowing a little bit. So I'm going to do some testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. ABC. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. And now I'm going to put the dead cat on here. Okay. Now the dead cat windscreen is on the Wavo microphone. We'll see if we can tell a difference in the sound. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. ABC. Testing 1, 2, 3. Of course, the wind's died down completely because when you need it, it won't blow or cooperate. Oh, what the heck was that? Testing. This is a quick demo of the Joby GorillaPod mobile vlogging kit. And it comes with the GorillaPod tripod / monopod, which is what I have the iPhone X mounted to right now. iPhone X, iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. I'm not an iPhone user, but that's what we go. Here we go. Here's some breeze. Let me let it record for a few seconds. So it's kind of breezy right now. I can see the little hairs on the dead cat moving back and forth. I'm going to take the dead cat off of here. See if we can tell any difference in the wind noise. It's cold out here today, folks. It's like 45. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. I think that's a cardinal. He is loud. It's a nice spring day, a little chilly. But I'm just trying to give you an idea of what this microphone sounds like. Let's go back to the iPhone by itself. Okay, so now this is the iPhone's internal microphone. So you can get an idea what it sounds like compared to the Wavo. I think I like the sound of the Wavo better. It's like smoother. Just sounds more professional to me. There we go, there's some breeze. I'm just here in southern Indiana doing my social distancing like everybody else is. Let's put the dead cat, whoop, I dropped the cat. Horrors. Yeah, he's okay. Let's put that back on the Wavo. Of course, the Wavo is not connected right now. We're going directly, let me hold this a different way. Yeah, this is a professional video, folks. Okay, so the dead cat's back on. We're still going through the iPhone and not the Wavo. And now on the Wavo, the Joby's Wavo mobile microphone. Got some breeze blowing here. And we have the windscreen on to see if we can hear that noise. Trying to get the wind in the microphone on purpose here. And I think we're going to conclude this test The end.